Right, in this video we're going to solve the quadratic x squared plus x minus 20 is equal to 0, and we're going to use the method of factorisation. So writing it down, x squared plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. What you do, you write down the product, you look at the number here and the number here, and then you write down the product is going to be 1 times, because it's 1 in front of x squared, times minus 20, which gives me minus 20. The sum is the middle number here. The number here, so we have to say it's 1, and then we need to look two numbers whose product is minus 20 and sum is 1. With a little bit of trial and improvement, you might come up with 5 and minus 4. Let's just check those. If you do the product, 5 times minus 4 gives me minus 20, which is what I wanted, so that's okay. And then the sum means add them together, so we do 5 plus minus 4, and that gives me 1. Again, that's what we wanted. So it doesn't matter which order you write these down, you can write them in the other way around, it doesn't matter. So we now get x squared, and now this middle term becomes 5x minus 4x, and then we've got the minus 20 is equal to 0. We haven't changed the meaning, because 5x minus 4x gives me 1x. Now we factorise by grouping, so grouping these two terms together. The common factor here is x, that comes out, and we're left with x plus 5. And then we group these two, and we take out minus 4, and we do that, we're going to get x plus 5. Okay, it's plus because minus 4 times plus 5 gives me minus 20. Here and here we have the same thing, so that can now come out as a common factor, and we're left with x minus 4 is equal to 0. So if we've got two things multiplied together which is equal to 0, we can now say either x plus 5 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to minus 5, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, which gives x is equal to 4. So we have two solutions, x is equal to minus 5, or x is equal to 4. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a simple quadratic using factorisation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.